Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, on Legian Street and on Raya Kuta at Tuban. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area after 1 week the new year. And our journey today start from Patih Jelantik Street. Yeah, now we are in Patih Jelantik Street. Actually in the left side there is one big hotel we call Central Park Hotels, and also there is Central Park Park in there. Okay guys, while we continue driving in Kuta area, and if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not missing the new station in Bali. Actually in this area there is a lot nice shop for a shopping area, because this area there is a lot wholesale price the shop. So that's why there is a lot of people from other country come to this area. They do some business. They buy a lot of things and they send to their country and resell in their country. So that's why in this area is very famous for wholesale shop. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Patih Jelantik Street. As I told you today, I will explore also in Legian Street and Rayakuta Street. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Patih Jelantik Street. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Seminyak and Krobokan or Canggu area. But I will turn left because I will explore how the situation at the moment in Legian Street. Yeah, now you can see the weather is look so cloudy. I mean like, it's look different. South part now is cloudy, but in the west part is very clear today. Actually on this video I make video around 11 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Legian Street and Kuta area. Okay guys, you see the right side and left side there is some shop. They are open, but in this area is so quiet. I mean like there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, but I'm really happy because there is a lot of car parking beside the street. And also there is some motorbike drive around in this area. That's really good. Okay guys, I'm gonna say sorry because in this video I make video and I'm driving a little bit faster than usually because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. So you can compare how the situation today and a week ago, because a week ago I also update in this area. So you can find this video down this video. You see left side? There is the one hotel. And there is some car parking at the front there. That's good. There's some people there. But so far in this area, you can see on the road is so quiet. There is not so many car and not so many motorbike drive around on this road like last week. So you can compare how busy today and a week ago. But I gotta say I'm really happy because there is a lot of shop. They are open. They keep trying to get a customer. Even very quiet in Bali, they still open the shop. Actually since 2 weeks ago Bali was very busy, and sometimes it's traffic on Legian Street because during the Christmas and New Year. But now step by step Bali getting quiet again. Okay guys, now we are in the central of Legian Street. This we call ground zero. You can see left side. Actually in the left side there is monument of booming memorial. But I keep driving because as I told you I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. And also today I will explore how the situation at the moment in Tuban area, where there is local people live, because I got a viewer. They asking me to update how the situation at the moment in Tuban area. Yeah, so far we can see together. There is, I gonna say like busy, but not so busy compared with the last week. But if you see the shop, right side, there is some shop are closed there. Actually, that shop is already closed since the pandemic. But if you see right side from here, there is some shop are open, also in the left side. Yeah, there's really good hope. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian Street. So what do you think? It's quite busy, isn't it? But not so busy like last week. Okay guys, if I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Kuta Beach. But I will turn left because I will explore how the situation at the moment in Tuban area. Yeah, now we are in Rayakuta Street. In Rayakuta Street is very famous also because there is one traditional market and there is a lot of people do activity in the morning. They go to the market. But today I don't want to explore how the situation at the market because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Tuban area on Rayakuta Street. You see, where do you think this area is quite busy, isn't it? If I straight down at the front, there is the way to go to Denpasar and go to Sanur. But I will turn right because, as I told you, I want to update how the situation at the moment in Tuban area. And now we are in Blanbangan Street. Actually, I'm gonna say in Blanbangan Street there is some hotel, but there is a lot local people living this area. You see in the right side at the front? Yeah, there is a lot motorbike park in there. There is a hotel and some people stay there. Also in the left side, there is one hotel and some car parking at the front of the hotel. That's really good. If you see the right side, there is like a temple for Buddhist temple. We call monk. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Blanbangan Street. So far in this area is quite busy. There is a lot of car drive around in this road. Okay, from Blanbangan Street, and I will turn right a little bit because we will explore how the situation at the moment in Tuban area. Also, if I straight down at the front, there is one big traditional market we call Kuta Market. Okay, we turn right, and then now we are in Kauripan Street. It's just very short street. Okay, now we turn left because we will explore how the situation at the moment in Rayakuta Street. Okay guys, now we are in Rayakuta Street. In this area is very busy almost every day because there is one shop we call Jogger, and at the front of the shop there is traditional art market. So that's why in this area is very famous for local people. You see in this area, there is a lot of car parking beside the street, isn't it? Yeah, this area we call Tuban area. And also in this area there is a lot of hotel and very nice to stay because it's just nearby the airport. It's only 10-minute driving from here. There is the Denpasar airport. So that's why there is a lot of local tourists. They stay in this area. I hope this video will bring you back to Bali because it's more than 2 years. I think you are never been Bali because since the pandemic it's very hard to go to Bali. Okay, I'm gonna say like in Tuban area there is more local live. There is not so many hotel in this area. And in this area is only very famous for shopping area and restaurant. So that's why during the night time there is a lot of people go to this area to have dinner. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Rayakuta Street. It's quite busy in this area, isn't it? There is a lot of people and a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. That's really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.